I'm Julie, Fei-Fan Balzer, and I am super duper excited to announce a new product that I've designed. So this is printed shrink film from Graphics. So you can see eyes, there's tarot, art supplies, this really cool overall pattern. And then I like this, the variety pack, where you get all four, and you know it by the Balzer Designs insignia. This palette shape can be so much more than just a plain palette. So I'm just going to get some color down on it to start. Next, I'm using alcohol ink markers, so that makes it really easy because it basically removes the color underneath. So I'm just going to sketch out the colors, and then as if it's an artist palette and I've used some of this color, I'm blending a slightly lighter color. So you can see how these paint puddles start to actually look like paint puddles, but it gets even better because now I'm going to cut it out. You can even cut out the center section either with a craft knife or with your scissors if you're careful. And now one finishing touch that I really like to do is I like to take a gold marker, a paint marker, and just paint on the edge. Now I am ready to shrink it. So a couple notes. One, you can see how much it shrinks, right? This is the original cutout, and there it is right there. The second is you can see how much the color has intensified. The third is you notice I have this wood box and I was using a wooden skewer, and I'm trying not to touch anything. Okay, so now that it's cool, a couple things to point out, which is obviously I try to only touch it with a skewer. I keep it in the box so it doesn't roll around. If it starts to curl while you're heating it, you can use the skewer to help you with that, but you have to sort of have faith that the heat gun's going to do it. The other thing is check out if you can see how that gold pen really finishes those edges inside and out. And I love how these really look like paint piles, and I was able to take something very plain and make it look totally different. And of course, check out the size difference. This is how much this shrunk up. So it looks really great. I think this would make an awesome pendant or earrings or an embellishment for your art, whatever it is, but super cute way, right, to make a custom palette. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking to purchase these, I know that Dick Blick is carrying them. I'll put some links in the notes of anywhere else that I can think of or that I hear of that's going to be selling them. Be sure to visit my blog at balzerdesigns.typepad.com, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, visit the graphics website at graphicsarts.com.